Morning students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you in the session of class 3rd, subject math reasoning, topic puzzle. As we discussed earlier, a puzzle is a game, problem or a toy that tests a person knowledge. Now, in today's class, we discuss some more questions on puzzle. Our first question is find missing number and the value given to you are 1 plus 5, 4 is equal to 5, 2 plus 5 equal to 12, 3 plus 6 is equal to 21, 8 plus 11 is equal to what you have to find out. But in this question, what is given to you, there is some number given to you. You have to find out the relation in the given value and then find the missing number. As in this question, what we see 1 plus 4 equal to 5, but 2 plus 5 is not equal to 12. So there is a relation between the first and the second value. What is that? We have to check, and then the same relation we relate with the second and third, and then that relation must be followed in the last, that is fourth. So how we solve this question? Let's see. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Yes, it is true. 2 plus 5 equal to 12. How we get 12? That is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So when we add 7 in the first value, that is 7 plus 5, what we get? We get 12. Now we check whether this relation follow in the third or not. In the third case, 3 plus 6, we know that 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So when we add 9 into 12, what we get? We get 21. So in this way, we relate the last value, that 8 plus 11 must be equal to 8 plus 11, that is 19. So 19 plus 21, what we get? We get 40. So this value must be 40. Okay students, in the same way we do the another question. And what is that question? Our second question is find missing number, and the given values are 4, 8, 16, 5, 10, 20, 6, 12. What you have to find out in this table button? It is very simple question. 4 plus 8, what we get? We get 12, but it is not here. So we try to find out another relation, that is 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Now we verify this relation in the second value. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. Now this relation must be follow in the third case, that is 6 2 ja 12 and 12 2 ja 24. So here we fill 24. Okay beta, like this you have to solve the other question also. Now I am going to assign some question in the homework. Let's see. So beta, first question of your homework is find the missing number, and the given table to you are 3, 377. Now second is 2, 224, 6, and third 1, 730, and this value you have to find out. But first try to find relation between first and second value, and then try to find out this value. And the given option to you are 2, 9, 3 and 1. Now beta, move to the second question. In the second question, also you have to find the missing number, and the given value are 7 plus 2 equal to 9, 3 plus 5 equal to 17, 4 plus 2, but we have to find out. So beta, try to find out the relation between the given values, and that using that try to find out this value, and the given option to you are A option 25, B option 24, C option 23, and D option 26. Now move to the third question. Find the missing number, and the given value to you are 22 plus 4 equal to 24, 13 plus 6 is equal to 16, 80 plus 2 equal to 82, 67 plus 9 equal to what we have to find out, and the given values are 69, 68, 67 and 66. So you try to find the relation between them and then find the value here. Now move to the fourth question. In fourth question, a table is given to you and the value given to you are 437, 799 and 99, and third value you have to find out, and the given option to you are 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now beta, move to the last question of your homework. Find missing number. 444 equal to 9, 555 equal to 36, 666 is equal to 81, 777 equal to 9. Then you have to find out the value of 4567. First try to find out the relation between the given values, and then with that relation try to find out the value of this, and the given option to you are A option 15, B option 16, C option 17 and D option 18. Now beta, I want to discuss with you the previous homework. Beta, first question of your previous homework is, can you write the number 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80 in the correct place so that each side of the square add up to 120, and this table is given to you. So beta, we can do this question in many ways. One of the way I am going to discuss with you, like 50 is there, so if I fill 40 here, then 50 plus 40, that is 90. We need 30 more to get the sum 120, so I will write 30 here. Now if I fill 80 here, then 80 plus 30, that is 110. We need 10 more to get the sum 120. Now if I will fill 50 here, then 50 plus 10, we get 60, and we need 60 more to get the sum 120. So I will fill 60 here. Now 40 plus 60, that is 100. We need 20 more to get the sum 120. So I will fill 20 here. Now beta, move to the next question, that is second question of the homework. But the second question of your homework is, write the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the square so that each line of the crows add up to 17. So, and the given square is like this. So if I will place 6 here, then and 7 here, then 6 plus 7, 13. We need 4 more to get the sum 17, so I will play here 17. Now if I place 5 here, then 7 plus 5, 12. If I fill 3 here, then 12 plus 3, 15, and we need 2 more to get the sum 17. So the sum in this line is 17 and the sum in this line is also 17. Now move to the third question. In third question, we have given that write the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 in the correct place so that each line add up to 21. 7 is given to you. If I place value 3 here, then 7 plus 3, 10. We need 11 more to get the sum 21 along this line. Now, if I place 5 here, then 7 plus 5, 12. We need 9 more to get the sum 21. Now, 9 is here. So, if I place 8 here, then 9 plus 8, that is 17. We need 4 more to get the sum 21. Now, if 11 plus 4, that is 15, we need 6 more to get the sum 21. Now 6 plus 5, 11, and we need 10 more to get the sum 21. So now all the side have the sum 21. In this way we have to solve this question. Now move to the fourth question. Our fourth question is write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the circle so that the sum of the number on the each side of the figure is 12. This is the given figure. Now, if I will place 1 here, 2 here and 3 here, then try to fill the remaining number in the 3 places, so that the sum must be 12. So if I will place 5 here, then 5 plus 1, 6. We need 6 more to get the sum 12. Now 6 plus 2, we get the value 8. We need 4 more to get the sum 12. Now in the third side, it automatically we get the sum 12. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So in this way you have to solve these questions. Now have a nice day and meet you in the next class.